Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you the best way to track your Amazon order using just the order number. Let's get started. First, open the browser on your PC or mobile phone. Visit amazon.com. Log in using your Amazon account credentials. Then, on the top right corner, click on Returns and Orders. This will open a list of all your recent orders. Then scroll through the list or use the search bar to find your order. Your order number is located under the order details. Make sure it matches the one you want to track. Click on Track Package next to your order. You'll now see real-time tracking updates including order confirmation, shipping details, estimated delivery, and current package locations. Click on View Order Details for more info like payment method, shipping address, and order summary. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.